10 of the world's tallest waterfalls. 1. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Angel Falls in Venezuela is considered the highest waterfall in the world, featuring a plunge of more than 800 meters. This epic waterfall was found in 1933, when aviator James Angel was flying over the Venezuelan jungle. 2. Tugela Falls, South Africa. There lies Tugela Falls, second on the list of 10 of the world's tallest waterfalls, with a combined total drop of 948 meters, 3,110 feet. Tugela Falls, one of the tallest waterfalls in the world. 3. Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe, and Zambia. Our list of the world's tallest waterfalls continues with Victoria Falls, a natural space shared between Zambia and Zimbabwe. Here, the Zambezi River pours into a gorge 108 meters, 354 feet, deep, making it the largest sheet of falling water on Earth, thanks to its combined height and width. Iguazu Falls, Brazil, and Argentina. The Iguazu Falls are one of the most impressive natural landscapes in the world and a favorite destination for any traveler going to Brazil or Argentina. Declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO, it can be visited from both the Argentine and Brazilian sides, both perfect to enjoy its famous path to the Garganta del Diablo, Devil's Throat. 5. Niagara Falls, Canada, and United States. Niagara Falls, located on the border between the United States and Canada. It's famous not due to its height, 52 meters, 170 feet, but rather for its amplitude and its 3,000 tons of water per second of fall. 6. Skogafoss, Iceland. This impressive waterfall, featuring a drop of more than 60 meters, 190 feet, is located in one of the country's most impressive landscapes. 7. Vinjufallet, Norway. Vinjufallet Waterfall, in Norway. This waterfall boasts the title of the highest waterfall in Europe, with a depth of 865 meters, 2,837 feet. 8. Yosemite Falls, United States. Although Niagara Falls is the most famous, Yosemite Falls is also one of the tallest waterfalls in North America, at 739 meters, 2,424 feet. To see this spectacular cascade, head to Yosemite National Park, one of the most popular nature destinations in the western United States. 9. Oloipena Falls, United States, one of the tallest waterfalls in the world. Boasting a 900-meter (2,952 feet) drop, Oloipena Falls, on the Hawaiian island of Molokai, is surrounded by mountains and has a constant supply of water thanks to the frequent rains. Plus, the currents cause a series of consecutive falls from the cliff's edge, creating a truly extraordinary sight. 10. Epupa Falls, Namibia. Lastly, we have Epupa Falls. Located in one of the most remote points of Namibia, Epupa Falls is a real oasis for nature lovers. Although it has a maximum drop of 20 meters, 65 feet, it produces a stunning landscape full of consecutive falls between the rocks.